So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how can you actually restart your iPhone. So it's really simple. Basically, you press the turning up button, then the turning down button, and then you just press the turning off button. And then you just wait approximately for 5-10 seconds. And once you see the Apple logo, you stop the actual pressing on the button. It's really that simple. You do not lose any data whatsoever. And sometimes if there's any issues on your actual iPhone, it might as well work out that you just stop pressing the button. And remember that you can do this all the times that you find necessary, that you see fit. Essentially, most of the times, if you've upgraded the actual, let's say, software, the latest software, and you've actually just restarted your iPhone, it's just a matter of time that you need to actually restart it. Remember, pressing up volume, pressing down volume, then you press the turning off for approximately, let's say, 10 seconds, and then once you see the Apple logo, you just wait, and now once you wait, and then you just put your code on, and it's ready to go, and you haven't lost any data whatsoever. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.